Gold has been considered a store of value and a safe haven for thousands of years. And with today's global uncertainty, many investors are turning to sound money more than ever. But thanks to modern technology, investors no longer need to buy and store physical gold bars to get exposure to gold. Today, they can invest in it directly through the stock market, and that's where GLD comes in. GLD is one of the most popular gold ETFs in the world. In this video, we'll break down how this ETF works and why many investors use it to diversify their portfolios and help protect their wealth during uncertain times. Part 1. What is GLD? GLD is an ETF launched in 2004 by State Street Global Advisors, and its goal is simple: to track the price of gold. Unlike many ETFs that hold stocks, GLD actually holds physical gold bars stored in secure vaults. This means each share is backed by real gold. Because of this structure, GLD's price closely follows the market price of gold, allowing investors to gain exposure to gold without the need to buy, store, or insure the metal themselves. Part 2. Key characteristics. GLD stands for the SPDR Gold Shares, and it's one of the largest commodity ETFs in the world, managing around $178 billion in assets under management as of this video. The fund has an expense ratio of about 0.4%, which helps cover the cost of storing and insuring the physical gold. Because it holds gold directly, GLD does not pay dividends like stock ETFs. Instead, its value moves based on changes in the price of gold. Part 3. Top holdings. Unlike traditional ETFs that hold many companies, GLD has one main holding: physical gold bullion. The gold is stored in secure vaults and audited regularly, ensuring that the ETF is backed by real gold reserves. This structure makes GLD one of the most direct ways investors can gain exposure to gold through the stock market. Part 4. Performance. Over the long term, gold has often been used as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. GLD mirrors the price movements of gold, which means it tends to perform well during periods of high inflation, market volatility, or economic stress. Since its launch, GLD has delivered average annual returns of around 11.85%, and it's up more than 41% over the past 3 years, as gold has been on a strong bull run, reaching new all-time highs multiple times. Much of this demand comes from investors who are concerned about the declining purchasing power of currencies, rising government deficits, and increasing global debt. In uncertain times like these, many investors turn to gold because it's viewed as a real asset, one that can't simply be printed out of thin air. Part 5. Why invest in GLD? Many investors add GLD to their portfolios for several key reasons. First, it can act as a hedge against inflation and global uncertainty. It also provides diversification, since gold often moves differently than stocks and bonds. And finally, it offers simple access to gold without the hassle of buying, storing, or securing physical metal. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest $100 per week into GLD for 30 years, and it continues to deliver returns of 11.85%, just like it has since inception, your portfolio could grow to over $1.1 million. If this video helped you understand GLD, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns.